Meaning of idiomatic.
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 Idiomatic. The term idiomatic refers to the natural, native way of expressing oneself in a particular language. An idiomatic phrase or expression is one that is commonly used by native speakers and cannot be translated word for word without losing its intended meaning. It incorporates the nuances and cultural references unique to that language. The use of idiomatic language can enhance communication and convey a deeper understanding of the culture of that language. In summary, idiomatic expressions are an essential aspect of language learning, allowing learners to communicate more effectively and accurately in real-life situations.